Okay, we're going to log in and retrieve the software so that we can install it on the computer here. First of all, we need to enter our email and address that we registered with Message Magic. When we're in the main member area, we just scroll down until we see the download link. That will take us to a page where we can get the software. Just click on the most recent download available. In my case, it asks me if I want to save it, which I do. And it'll go get it, download it onto my computer. And in my case, I can just open that item. It gives me a warning saying it's an executable file. And of course, it's okay to run it. Unknown publisher, that's okay. Hopefully one day we'll be very well known. I'm just going to accept the default location for it to be saved, but you can change it to a different area if you prefer. Just click next a couple times and away it goes. Just wait until it finishes installing. Okay, so it's been successfully installed, so we can close this installation screen. And now all we need to do is run the software. So we can click on Start, All Programs, Message Magic, Message Magic. That should just take a moment or two to load. I haven't installed Message Magic before, so I need to register it. An email and a password, so we'll just click Next. It asks for that email and password. And then click OK. And then it'll bring up the version that we downloaded and installed. And voila, we're up and running. The next video I'll cover connecting Message Magic to Skype.